Hi, I'm Adrian from the Audi service team. If you're having trouble unplugging the charger from one of your Audi e-tron, don't worry. Here's how to safely release a stuck charging gun. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more tips. Happy charging!